Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Yeah, what's up, everybody?
Goggles.
We're gonna do a volcano. So
I made goggles.
tell them what we did this from. We used flour
We use flour
and water.
and water.
We mixed it up, and then we put a
mixed it
bottle,
up, and we put a bottle.
and we put it all on the
And
outside.
we put it on the outside because we're going to make a big volcano.
And we put it in actually one of these, so we can have all the water and all the lava.
Because we don't mess it up.
All right. So first thing we're gonna do
First thing
is put the detergent.
into the
Right? It's like soap detergent. So anything there that you wash your dishes. All right. So we do that first.
It's going to drop a little bit.
Put it all in there as much as you can. And I didn't put that much. We only grabbed a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit only.
All right. We don't want to make a big mess.
We want to make a big mess. With this,
So once we do that,
with this, we made a big mess with our hands.
so once we do that, we add our vinegar.
Vinegar.
This one smells kind of funky, okay? So don't smell it. Just like that. There's some doggy out there, huh? Alright, we add our vinegar. Once we add our vinegar, we're gonna add our baking soda. This is what's gonna make it bubble.
Yeah,
okay?
bubbly. It's going to make bubbly.
Bubbly. Help me out here, okay? Hello. You ready for it? It's gonna bubble right now. Give it a second. Well, hopefully it does.
Hopefully it does. We're making a channel today.
Maybe we need to add a little bit more, but we'll see how it does it. It should chemically react there. Oh, it is. Oh, it's not coming up though.
No,
It's not coming up.
it's not
Fail.
coming out,
Fail.
guys. Fail.
Oh, it's coming up a little bit. Hold on.
Coming up a little bit.
Hold on. All right, I think you might need to add a little bit more vinegar. Hello.
Making a volcano?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, you.
All right, let's see. I don't think this is gonna help, but let's see. Oh, it's coming up a little bit slowly, but surely it's coming up. Here, I'm gonna go grab a little.
We're doing a channel with my dad's phone to radio house.
Yeah, this is like a fail one right here. You know what? It's okay. Oh, our camera fell.
I'm sorry.
This is where. Oh, it's coming up. Look, it's coming up. It's coming up. Oh my God! Look at the volcano. It just took a little time. Oh my God! Look at that. We should have added some food coloring, huh? Come on this side so the camera can see you. Oh, that was cool, huh?
That's cool.
Look, it's still coming up.
It's still coming out. I touch it.
No, don't touch it, girl. It's not bubbles. This is like vinegar and like other stuff, baking soda.
I touch it too.
No, girl. This is like science.
This
pretty
is
cool.
the science stuff, but it's coming over here.
Yeah, we're gonna I'll throw all this away right now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. Look, it's still coming out. Look. Still coming out, baby.
Why is it still coming to my side?
I don't know, but let's see.
not
I think
coming
this
to
thing has a
your
little
side?
bit more. Let's see.
Oh, why
my
not
God.
coming to your side?
Oh, you wanna put it like this?
Yeah.
All right.
Look, guys.
Look at this.
Look at this. It's coming to my side, guys.
And it's still coming out, huh?
Yeah, it's still coming out.
That's so cool, baby.
There's too
We should have
much
put some food coloring in this, huh? Next time we'll do a food coloring, like we'll put like red, okay? There's some cool lava, huh?
We need paint to color lava.
Oh, we should have colored this too, huh? Next time we'll color that. But this actually came out pretty cool. Look, it's still coming
my
out.
goggles are blue, guys.
Look, this thing is still coming out.
I know.
That's so cool, baby. Oh,
There's so much noise.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye.